Welcome to English Podcast Academy. Maybe you're cleaning the kitchen. Maybe you're folding clothes. Maybe you're just sitting with a warm drink in your hand. Whatever you're doing right now, thank you for being here. This moment is small, but it matters. And today, we'll let English gently join what you already do. You don't need to stop your routine to learn. You don't need to study with big books or long rules. English can walk beside you. It can live inside your favorite quiet times, like music, like a soft voice in the background. Let me tell you a story. Every evening around 6:30, a man named Ravi made tea in his kitchen. He used the same pot every time, the same spoon, the same little blue cup. While the water boiled, he opened the window. The street outside was calm. Birds sat on the fence. Children played with a ball. Someone walked a dog. It was a peaceful time. Ravi didn't rush. He moved slowly. He liked the sound of the spoon in the cup. He liked the smell of ginger. He didn't look at his phone. He just moved and breathed. One day he placed his phone on the counter and played a short English audio. It wasn't loud. Just enough to hear a few words while he poured the tea. "How are you today?" said the voice. Ravi smiled. He answered out loud, softly, "I'm okay." Every evening after that, he played a few minutes of English while he made his tea. No stress, no homework, just a voice, a question, and a reply. Now I want to ask you, can you picture Ravi in his kitchen? Can you hear the soft water boil? Can you feel the quiet? That is a perfect time to let English in. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a test. You just need a simple moment that is already yours. So today, let English be part of what you love. Listen while you cook. Speak while you fold. Smile while you hear something new. And if this story made you feel calm, like the video, leave a comment saying, "English is in my routine," and subscribe. I'll be here every day to speak softly with you. Add a little English to your favorite routine and let it stay with you.